Okay, so welcome to a fresh out-of-the-box test for a new addition to my fleet. I now have a total of 2 locos. Very, very exciting. This Class 37 came yesterday, and I've now got time to get it out and give it a quick run to see if it all works. So I'll set up a quick test track and see how it goes, and you can have the fun or disappointment with me at the same time. Cheers. I don't have a test track set up per se like a lot of the pros, so what I do is just put 3 double straights together. If I can find some room on my messy baseboard. I've got to admit, doing a bit of loco testing is a nice distraction from doing baseboards for the last couple of days. Okay, so just gonna get a few straights together. You can only see 2 in the shot, but I assure you there is a 3rd. I've made it a bit longer because last time I was testing tracks I ended up smashing into the buffer stops on more than one occasion. And just my Hornby select them. Quickly get the power cables sorted. And if you saw my last video, you'll realise that I didn't purchase the correct bits for the connector, so I've had to botch something for those. Okay, that's the one on. The other one is in here. These Picot connectors. Very foolproof though. Even with a botched construction like I've done, they're still quite easy to go on. The other one. Easy if you can find them, that is. Ah, there it is. Okay, so get this one on now quickly. Boop. And we'll see what happens. Now, what I do is I get this hooked over. I assure you I'm making this harder than it looks. There we go. I need to solder these obviously. I'll get the connectors that Picot suggest. For now I'll just botch it together. What I do then is I add a buffer stop, stop me careering the train over the end into the abyss, and I add one of these buffer lights from OOGauge Master. For those who didn't see my last video, I'll put that on properly with this manner. Oh, there we go. Yeah, for those who didn't see my last video, I bought these OOGauge Master GM 55 buffer stops. If that would focus. GM 55. Yeah, these buffer stops with lights from OOGauge Master, and they're superb. They give you an indication of whether the track's got power or not. So before I try out the loco, I know that the track has got power and there's no shorts, etc. Help if I put it in the right way. Okay, so how to make something easy look complicated. Right, here goes. Stick this in. Nice. I think that's in okay. Now we'll put the power on and we'll see if it lights up. Okie dokie. That lit up? Yes. Ah, there we go. Bit of a short. Right, so hopefully you can see the red light. Let me zoom in. Oh yeah, I think that's showing up now. Whee! There we go. Red light. So now we know we have power. So if the loco doesn't run, then we know the reason why. Okay, so that really is a thing of beauty. There is one horn missing, but in all fairness, the guy did mention on his eBay post that that would be the case. Yeah, it's a lovely logo. And I got it because it's called Caerphilly Castle, which is pretty local to me. Okay, let's get that seated. Looks good. Ah, it's moment of truth. Oh, there's lights on. Woohoo! I didn't even have those set up. Must have been a legacy from my class 121. Didn't realise the decoder would remember that. Anyway, that's a good sign. Let's try and give you a better shot of this. Look at that drill out of the way. Right. Okay, hopefully. Let's see what happens. So in theory, I've got it running the right direction on my select. Let's see if I can get that in shot as well. So you can see my inputs and see if it actually runs. There we go. There's my Hornby select. Hopefully that's in focus. There we go. Alright, moment of truth. Wish me luck. Oh, wrong way. It moves though. Here we go. Look at that. Excellent. That is brilliant. Oh, alright, cool. And it lights up. Not that you can see, but it lights up in the other direction as well, which is great. Lovely. Oh, I lost power. See? So I thought the loco would fail, but as you can see from the light at the end, it was actually one of my loose connections here, which I really need to obviously set up properly. But yeah, I would highly recommend this. You can see now, hopefully on the video, you can see that the light is now back on. It's amazing checks and balances. There we go. So white lights that end, and this light no lights, but maybe that's one of the functions I just need to learn. It's got a sapphire decoder in there, so maybe. Okay, number 2 doesn't do anything. 3, turn that back on. 1, they're on. 0, 2, 4, on. Anyway, I'll have to do a bit more checking to see what the lights are, but yeah, class 37, brilliant. About 75 quid from eBay. Very happy. Nice runner. Ooh. Yeah, very pleased. Very pleased indeed. Alright, you'll see this bombing around the layout shortly. Thanks for coming. My next video will be a baseboard construction video. And then I'll go into my goodies, cover all the items I use, and all the mistakes I've made buying the wrong things, etc, etc. So hopefully lots of things to learn from. Thanks again for coming. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that button below, you know you want to. And thanks for the 17 people who already have. I'm very pleased. Look at that. Whoa. I think I'll have to change the some of the CVs on it to make it accelerate and slow down a bit more realistically. Also, I'm probably going to put sound in it because I want all my locos to have sound, so there's another £100 I have to find. Put your comments below if you think I shouldn't do that, but I think you can agree that there's not many sounds better than a class 37 in full voice. Whoa. Wow. There we go. Alright, cheers folks. Thanks again for coming. I've done an awful lot of work on the baseboard, so in addition to this quick video that I put up so you can see the class 37 in all its glory, I'll also be putting up a video probably middle of next week, i.e. around the 18th, 19th or something, which will show the new baseboard that I will have in by then. The legs are pretty much done, so yeah, it's really getting there now. I need to do a bit more work on the design, and obviously there's the class 121 which I need to send back. That's the top actually in the seats. The chassis inside, I need to send that back to house to get it reblown and get the sound sorted. And now I've seen the class 37 in action. I'm sorely tempted to get that done as well. Excuse my phone binging. That's the class 37 Appreciation Society saying how good it looks. If I can focus. Yeah, it really is lovely, and worked perfectly out of the box, so I will be giving the man I bought it off a 5-star rating on eBay. I'll do a closer look at this when I look at my fleet, all 2 trains, in an upcoming video. Thanks again for coming. Really appreciate you taking the time. Cheers.